The exponential growth in wireless data is really driving the need for wireless infrastructure and coverage and capacity from small cells.
We're very excited about our small cell service that leverages all of our infrastructure that we have within our service areas, including our fiber facilities, our pole attachments, as well as the power that we have on our own network. We've started to rethink our backhaul business and now look at it as a mobile infrastructure business. We continue to provide higher and higher speed connectivity, supporting the needs from the macro tower back to the switch. Additionally, we're starting to roll out newer small cell services to meet the needs of ever-continuing network densification.
And mobility is, of course, an increasingly important aspect of all networks. And in fact, if you think about mobility, the nexus of mobility and IP is really the future of networks. The biggest wireline network in the world is the wireless network, because behind every small cell or every macro cell or every Wi-Fi hotspot, there's a web of wired connections to bring it back and connect it into the global internet. Together, we can work with Cox to serve both customers that are trying to build large mobile networks or building large data centers and infrastructures for enterprise use. The good news about our partnership and extension with Nokia and Alcatel-Lucent is we now have all the pieces to have an end-to-end consideration of the evolution of the mobile network. And for end customers who are building mobile infrastructures and are relying on Cox and thereby Nokia to help support them, we have a full understanding of that value chain and exactly how that all works together.
One of the biggest things small cells offer is a much faster ability to deploy the radio than with typical macro towers. We know that mobile operators continue to have very constrained spectrum positions and an ever-growing need to provide their end users more capacity. Small cell continues to move the antenna and the radio closer to that user. We have our strand option, which enables us to provide small cell on our cable strand and turn the node up very quickly. Secondly, we have our pole option. Our pole option enables us to leverage our over 2 million pole attachments across the United States in order to provide small cell connectivity to bring those nodes on the air. And lastly, we are continuing to evolve our portfolio of attachments to provide small cell co-location on new structures such as streetlights or other municipal furniture within the right-of-way.
I'm very proud of the innovative wireless infrastructure solution we've developed for our carrier customers. It's a turnkey managed service that really meets their needs in the long run.